Hey, you guys, it's movie night. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, so yeah, in the last video, neglected to tell you there's one other thing that we do every 2 nights, and that's we do a movie night. We've got roughly 100 DVDs that we've had, both of us have collected over the years. But when we're boondocking, we turn the generator on, and when we turn the generator on, we charge everything that needs to be charged. This is my jump starter that also does AC DC, where I can plug in my laptop. If that thing has helped me out so many times. I did a review on that like 2 years ago. Look it up. But that's going to get charged. We aren't turning the generator on yet. Probably in another 15 minutes. Then we are charging everything that we have. Sorry, excuse me. Laptop needs charged.
My laptop won't hold a charge, so that won't matter for me.
My cell phone needs a charge. We are going to make ice with our ice maker while the generator's running. Lisa's charging her little her vacuum cleaner. Her chair is an electric chair, so when she's watching the movie tonight, she's going to be able to get the footrest to come out and lean back. Her cell phone, battery pack. Yeah, when we don't waste it. When the generator's running, we're charging everything. So off to Flagstaff tomorrow. We'll see you there. Okay, look where we're at. We are doing laundry. One of the more glamorous things about this. Anyway, on to fun things. We're in Flagstaff. Getting ready to go to this brewery here for lunch. We'll let you know how it goes. How's this for a Bloody Mary? I already ate the bacon out of there too. We're at the Lumberjack. I can't see the sign, but yeah, the Lumberjack. Or the Lumberyard Brewery. What'd you get?
It's a tri-tip. I don't know. I don't remember the name of it.
Barbecue tri-tip?
No, it's a tri-tip with a guacamole, salsa verde, and crunchy onions on it.
Yeah, it looks good. What's that?
And mac and cheese, which is what I guess they're now no.
Yeah, I just got the base brew house burger, cheeseburger, lettuce, onion, tomato, and these fries are pretty good. Look at this, you guys. We're out exploring forest roads. That's Mount Humphreys. I think that's like 14,000 feet. There's a Snow Bowl ski lodge up there. Still got some snow here on the 29th of May. Oh gosh, just following this. We're about 3 miles east of our campsite. Look at this. You see for miles. This is stunning. quiet. All right, adventure continues. Okay, guys, RV Arizona neglected to get a level 1 inspection on the prowler here. So we are parked. We just parked just outside of Flagstaff, and we have an appointment tomorrow at 10 a.m. to go to this third-party DOT to get a level 1 inspection for this, because our paper tags expired. The lady at RV Arizona said she was going to give me another 30 days. So yeah, we're waiting for our plates to get out of here. Anyway, be right back. Okay, let me show you this. See Lisa over there talking to this lady? See the dog? We just got here, lunchtime. We laid a pound of hamburger out on the table out here to thaw for supper. Well, I came around the corner here, and that dog was trotting with the frozen pound of hamburger going across there. So Lisa went over just to let the lady know. Anyway, the dog's over there wagging his tail and trying to lick Lisa. And, Lisa's like, "You stole my hamburger." So that's kind of funny. But anyway, see you in the morning. Hey, what's up? What's up? We moved. Well, we got that level 1 inspection done this morning. So that's moving forward, hopefully. Thought it was moving forward before, but anyway, so we should have our license plates. They said 15 to 30 days, 2 weeks to a month, I guess. But last night we were down there, more or less a parking lot, where we showed you where where the dogs stole the hamburger and all that. That's like, oh gosh, half, 3/4 mile down the hill there. So there's Mount Humphreys. Got a good, decent view of the mountain now. All set up here. We kind of enjoyed, camping around the people down there too. So, this is cheap camping, but we do want to start doing some campgrounds and going, exploring other areas. But this is cheap camping. So, be right back. Okay, you guys, onward with the remodel. We are going to be painting the next couple days. Pulled out all that spackled, sanded. See, I gotta get that tape. Got everything taped here. So yeah, this is a painting day. Lisa's gonna be painting. I'm gonna be editing video that you're gonna see tomorrow, hopefully. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. I thank you so much for watching. Appreciate and love each and every one of you. God bless you. Please share this with like-minded people, and hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But God bless. We will see you. Oh, the topper's coming in on Wednesday, so we're gonna go get that. So we'll see you next Saturday. Bye.